Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new or returning, hey. Anyway, so today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. It's from multiple days, multiple stores, whatever I can find in the next couple days I'm going to throw into this video. Hopefully I got some new finds. I have some new finds already, so hopefully I get some new finds. Definitely grab a snack, grab a drink, and subscribe. Let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. So first thing I got is this little picture frame. I think it is adorable. First off, the art is cute, but the picture frame itself, like, you can take this out and use it. So $1.25 for that. Then we have these new markers, these acrylic markers. Marker acrylic markers. You get 6 basic colors in here. So we have that one. And then we have these like pastel colors. Yeah, pastel. So these are the 2 sets that I found, and these are just, I'm excited to use them. Then I got the Wicked lip mask, and this is the firming, hydrating, soothing, rejuvenating. And I got the green one last time, but now I found the pink, so I'm excited for that. Then with Wicked, we got some hand creams. So we have the watermelon, we have the berry, and then we have the strawberry. So we got 3 of those. Then I got the Spa Therapy Vanilla Cream Nourishing Shave Oil. So I have the pre-shave, aftershave, and now I have the shave oil. I love this line, so I'm excited to try this one, like this part of it. Then we got by Spa Luxury, we got the papaya and coconut oil hair mask. Quenches curls for curly, thick hair. And I have thick hair, so got that to try out. Then this is definitely an oldie, but it's the first time I saw it. The Lip Color Rogue Makeup Gala Soft Non-Sticky Moisturizing High Shine by Ioni. This really pretty glitter lip gloss that I cannot wait to try. Then the last thing from the store is the Le Mercier Fuchsia Sensation Hydrating Lip Stain. I love me a lip stain, so I'm excited to try that. Super random, but I saw these Band-Aids, okay? And I'm obsessed with cows. I love cows. So when I saw the cow in the pic on here, I was like, Band-Aid, why not? And these are supposed to, like, not, like, crease and fall off, which is great. So I got those because, you know, why not? Then I did get the Micro Minis. Now, I know they have these when toys were sold at $25, but now they made new ones. So I did get 4 bags of them. So we are going to definitely open those right now because I need to know what we have. So our first one, and I do remember what I got last time, surprisingly. So you get 8 in here. So our first one, we have some instant noodles. Cute. Then we have orange juice. Recipe book. That. Some sushi. And yeah, I don't think 8 is bad, but I do like when they were $1.25 back in the day. That one, macaroon, and a cupcake. So that's our first bag, and then I'm just gonna open them and then just go through all of them to make this go faster. Some eggs. I guess it's wasabi, who knows? So I'm going through just fast. But I know. Oh. And then the macaroon's stuck in the little cup that happened, I remember before. But I did like when these were $1.25, but what are you gonna do? This one is new though, this flower one. I do want to find like all the collectible ones, because now like there's collectible ones. So I do want to find those, so that's why I think I'm gonna get them until I find all the collectibles. Just annoying that they're $1.75, but what are you gonna do? Then again, the macaroon's stuck in there. Croissant. But yeah, I'm hoping that I can find. How cute is that? Find the rest of all of the new ones. So that is that. Next up, I got the Gimme Thick Hair Superior Grip with No Damage. I love these. So these are 6 of the thick ones, and then these are, you get 8 of like the smaller ones. I love to have both, so got those. Then I found this, saw it all over TikTok. I'm like, hopefully I can find it. It's a Must Have Beauty Premium Quality Beauty On The Go Perfume Atomizer. So you just fill this with perfume, and I guess you just throw it in your purse or on the go, whatever. And yeah, so I feel like that's good for travel. Then I found this, finally, the Nightmare Before Christmas Sweet Pumpkin Scented Facial Sheet Mask. I'm excited to try this, so got her. Then I've been on the hunt for these forever. I know, super random, but I found them. They're the Halls Minis Relieves Coughs and Soothes Sore Throats. And especially like this time of season, I get like allergies and colds, so these are going to be perfect to throw in the purse. Then I did get another color of the Makeup Bowl brush cleaner. I feel like you can really clean anything in these, to be honest with you, so I got the pink one. Then I don't remember ever seeing this pink color, so I really wanted to try it. The pink Shea Butter lipstick with like the little heart. And then these are new, and I'm so stoked that I found these. So this is the Must Have Beauty Spray Travel Bottle Beauty On The Go. So super nice for $1.25. And I also got blue. They had 3 more colors, but I just got 2. I might pick up the rest. Who knows? It's gifts or something. But yeah, so that is bag number 1. Okay. Next bag. So first off, this is super random, but I got this giant clothespin. I don't know why, but I thought it was literally so funny to have this huge clothespin. So just don't ask. Then I got these acrylic markers, and they're like in the pastel colors, and yeah, I love to journal and color and whatever, so I'm excited to try these out. Then this is new by Be Pure. It's the Sweet Strawberry Scented Body Wash. So let's see, should we smell it? Smell it. Maybe. Okay, it smells good through the packaging, so. But yeah, so we got that. Then by Be Pure, iconic. The night lip mask. Found it, snagged it, and that. Then by Biomiracle, we have the Calming Collagen Face Mask infused with tea tree. I don't ever remember seeing the tea tree one. All the other ones, yeah, but the tea tree, never. So I got that one. Then by BioPure, we got the antibacterial hand wipes Sugar Plum. I don't know, I'm kind of excited for the scent. Never, like, have we had that. So we got Sugar Plum. Then got another one of the little bow cases. I love these. These are so precious. So got that. Then by Spa April Bath and Shower, we got this exfoliating body brush. Yeah. And yeah, this is like a really nice brush for like in the shower, after the shower, whatever. So got that. Then again by Be Pure, we have some new lip jellies. So this one is in watermelon, which I'm just gonna take it out of the packaging. Okay, this is actually adorable. Like, are we kidding? So we got that, and then we got it in peach also. So super cute. Like, these are actually so cute. I thought they were cute in the packaging, but clearly, like, how cute are these? So we got these little lip balms. Cute. Okay, then by Sassy and Chic, we got some makeup brushes. I don't know if these are new or not. I've never seen them, but this is the angled concealer brush. We have that one. Then we have the powder brush, which I love this one. So we have the powder. And then we have the foundation brush. Then the last one is the blush brush. So yeah, these were new to me. I don't know if they're new like in general, but new to me. So got that. Then by the Sophie brand value pack, 50 hair ties in here for $1.25. Like, this is crazy to me. You get so many different colors. Okay, last portion of this haul. Finally got some new stuff. So let's go. First off, we have some new photo albums. So we have this print, and then we have this like marble tie-dye, which I'm obsessed with. So these are new. Love these. Then we have this little LED votive candle. I love it. It's so pretty. And we'll pull the tab so we can show you guys. And it just, I think it's so pretty. So we have that. I can shut it off. Then we got this new little bow. What's it called? A glass round box, but with a bow on it. Can you guys see that? I think this is adorable for jewelry, whatever. Adorable. Then, super random, we got this toothpaste. It is cookies and cream ice cream flavored toothpaste. Help prevents cavities. And you know what? I'm curious about this. I'm excited to try it. It's so random, and I think that's why like I had to have it. And there were obviously other flavors, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna try this, and I'll definitely do like a review on it because I'm curious. But yeah, there was like vanilla, mint chocolate chip, cookies and cream, and chocolate. So we'll see. Then I did get another Be Pure hair milk. I love this. Hydrating leave-in conditioner. This is fantastic. And then we got this new whipped body scrub. Restoring formula, vanilla and rose, 5 deep breaths. So I did hear like good and bad things on this. I'm like, you know what, for $1.25, I'll test it. But yeah, so we got this body scrub. Whoops. Then, speaking of body, we got some new body washes. So, this is by Spa Therapy Hot Cocoa Body Wash. I love the smell. I did smell it. The cashier did tell me that it doesn't really last long, but I'm like, you know what? It's worth a shot. So we got hot cocoa. And then we got sugar plum. This one I can't really tell the scent of. Like when I was smelling it in the store, it's kind of like very hard to smell, but we got sugar plum and hot cocoa because why not? Then we got some new scents of deodorant. So this is aluminum free Power Stick limited edition enchanted cherry with notes of cherries, patchouli, and sandalwood. So we have cherry, and then we have vanilla dream. So vanilla bean, chantilly cream, and almond. So got some new deodorants. Then we got the gold on the go little perfume. Anyway, yeah, we got these translucent tattoo style band-aids. I think these are so fun. So we got that. Then we got the Prolux matte foundation. I got another shade, vanilla, and supposedly new and improved formula again. Then by Beauty Intuitions, we have some new lips. So we have a 2-pack. We have vanilla. No, we have strawberry and cherry little lip balms like that. And then we have a lip oil in strawberry. Should have been chocolate covered, but hey. So we have the lip oil in strawberry, and then we have the lip gloss in cherry. Like, how cute is the packaging of these, though? So, yeah. So that is it for this little Dollar Tree haul. We found some goodies, so I'm pretty excited. Hopefully when I go out in different parts this weekend, I'll find some new goodies, because like I said, I want some new stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below what you guys on that for. I should be on that for your favorite item. And don't forget to subscribe and share the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.